If CapCut is giving you a system error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that usually solves the problem fast. We're going to close any stuck background processes, clear the app cache, flush your DNS, and then sync your system clock so CapCut can connect properly again. This is a great fix if CapCut is freezing, failing to open, showing server errors, or just not working the way it should. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, we need to kill any background CapCut processes that may be stuck. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simplified view, click More Detail so you can see all running processes. Now look through the list for anything related to CapCut. You may see CapCut, CapCut.exe, or other active entries connected to the app. Right-click each CapCut process one at a time and select End Task. This forces the app to fully close and clears out any frozen background activity that could be causing the system error. Once you've ended those tasks, give your computer a moment to settle before moving to the next step. Next, we're going to clear the CapCut app cache. Sometimes corrupted cache files can trigger system errors, loading problems, or strange app behavior. Open CapCut normally and wait until you reach the main dashboard. In the top area of the app, click the Settings icon. Once the Settings menu opens, go to Settings, then find the Cache section. Inside that section, click Clear. CapCut may take a few seconds to remove the temporary files. This does not delete your projects, but it can remove damaged cache data that is interfering with the app. After the cache is cleared, close CapCut completely and reopen it to see if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next fix is to flush your Network DNS. This helps when CapCut is having trouble reaching its servers because of cached network information or routing issues. To do this, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This step clears outdated network records and can fix blocked connections that may be causing CapCut to show a system error. Once that's done, you can close Command Prompt. Now for the final step, make sure your system clock is synced correctly. If your time or date is off, CapCut may have trouble communicating with its servers, which can trigger login issues or system errors. Open Windows Settings, then go to Time and Language. From there, find the date and time settings and click Sync Now. If automatic time is turned off, switch it on as well. A correct system clock helps your device authenticate properly and prevents unnecessary connection errors. After syncing, restart your computer if needed, then open CapCut again and test it. At this point, one of these fixes should resolve the CapCut system error. To recap, we ended stuck background processes, cleared the app cache, flushed DNS, and synced the system clock. Those 4 steps solve a lot of common CapCut problems without needing a full reinstall. If you're still having trouble after trying everything in this video, leave a comment and I'll help you troubleshoot further. And if this tutorial saved you time, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy app and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.